Mango is the queen of tropical fruits, grown for its large, colorful, and delicious fruit. The medium to large evergreen mango tree is also attractive in the home landscape. Its rounded canopy might be low and dense to upright and open, with dark green foliage that is long and narrow. Mango requires a soil having good internal drainage, but is not particular as to soil type. Trees can tolerate minor flooding because of its extreme sensitivity to cold. Mango can be planted indoors in a pot or in the most protected yard site, with 8 to 12 feet off the south or east side of the house. The tree must receive full sun for optimum growth and fruiting. There are two principal types of mangoes: Indian, single embryo seeds and highly colored fruit, and Indochinese, multiple embryos and fruit usually lacking in coloration. More common commercial varieties include Haden, Irwin, Atkins, Keitt, and Keitt. Polyembryonic types generally grow from seed. Monoembryonic types must be grafted onto seedling rootstocks using almost any available mango seeds. The fibrous stones or pit should be removed from the seed. The seed should be planted concave edge down and about 1 inch deep in any good potting soil. Germination might take 2 to 3 weeks. Graftable seedlings of a 1/4 inch diameter take about 6 months. Mango trees are normally grown in containers of soilless media. Much of the outer layer of media shall be washed off the sides and top of the root ball immediately prior to setting the tree in the ground. This practice exposes the outer part of the root system to the actual soil in which the tree must grow, thereby enhancing tree establishment. Newly planted trees shall be staked for support for the first year. Newly planted trees shall be watered 2 or 3 times the first week, then once or twice per week for several weeks. Simply fill a water basin and let the water soak in. The water ring will gradually erode away over 4 to 6 months, when the tree can be considered established. Delay fertilization until new growth occurs after planting, then apply monthly until September. Scatter the fertilizer on the ground under the tree and promptly water thoroughly. Use ammonium sulfate, half a cup monthly in the first year, 1 cup per month in the second year, and 2 cups monthly in the third year. All grass and weeds should be eliminated around the young mango, as the tree will compete for water and nutrients. Organic mulches are excellent for mango trees. No pruning or training is necessary, except to remove dead wood. Winter frost protection is essential. Grafted mango trees will begin to produce in the 3rd year after planting. The mango fruit develops rapidly, as the time from flowering to maturity is only 100 to 150 days, depending upon variety. Mangoes will ripen to best quality on the tree. Mangoes can be harvested at color break and ripened in the kitchen. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to watch more videos on sustainable gardening practices.